Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the markets one chart at a time. Today, October 3rd, 2024, we're focusing on Amazon stock, and dissecting both the current news and chart data to understand the possible future direction of this tech giant. Let's start with the latest news. Recent headlines suggest a positive outlook for Amazon, with several analysts raising their price targets for the stock, including one bullish prediction reaching $265. This optimism seems to stem from the upcoming Prime Big Deal Days discount event, starting October 9th, which could be seen as an early start to the holiday shopping season. Analysts anticipate strong online spending growth for the holidays, with Amazon expected to benefit significantly from this trend. The company's AWS cloud business continues to see strong growth, further adding to the positive sentiment surrounding Amazon. However, concerns remain about the growth of Amazon's retail margins due to consumer price sensitivity. Furthermore, a major antitrust lawsuit from the FTC is casting a shadow on the company's future. Despite these challenges, many investors remain positive about Amazon's future, citing its strong technical ratings and institutional buying activity. Now let's dive into the chart data to see if it corroborates these news stories and forecasts. Looking at the daily chart, we can immediately see a clear upward trend over the past few months. The stock has been steadily climbing higher since its summer slump, breaking above several resistance levels. This upward trend is reinforced by the recent price action, with Amazon closing above its 200-day moving average. This suggests that the bulls are in control for the time being. The recent price action also indicates strong momentum, with several green candles representing strong buying pressure. However, it's crucial to note that the stock has encountered resistance around the $190 level in recent weeks. This level has acted as a ceiling, preventing the stock from breaking through to new highs. If the stock fails to break above this resistance level, it could potentially experience a pullback. However, if the bulls manage to overcome this resistance level, we could see a significant surge in price. The daily chart suggests that Amazon is in a strong position, but we need to look at shorter-term charts for a more granular picture of the current market sentiment. Let's shift our focus to the 1-hour chart to see if it offers any insights into the current trading activity. Now let's look at the 1-hour chart, which provides a closer view of the recent price action. Here, we can see that the stock has been trading in a relatively narrow range in recent hours. This consolidation phase suggests that the market is uncertain about the immediate future direction of the stock. The lack of significant momentum on the 1-hour chart is in contrast to the strong momentum seen on the daily chart. This could be an indication that the bulls are taking a breather after their recent rally. It's important to note that the 1-hour chart is showing a slight downward bias, with more red candles than green candles. This could indicate that the bears are starting to gain some influence, potentially leading to a short-term pullback. However, it's still too early to say for sure what the future holds for Amazon. We need to keep a close eye on the price action in the coming hours to determine if the bears are gaining strength or if the bulls are simply consolidating their gains before making another push higher. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart, which gives us an even closer look at the recent price action. This chart is showing a lot of volatility in recent minutes, with the stock bouncing back and forth between the $185 and $186 levels. This volatile price action could be an indication that the market is waiting for a catalyst to break out of this range. The 15-minute chart is not showing any clear directional bias, but it's important to note that the volume has been relatively light in recent minutes. This suggests that the market is still in a state of indecision, with no clear indication of which direction the stock will move in the immediate future. As we zoom in on the last hour of trading, we can see a slight upward bias, with a few more green candles than red candles. This could be a sign that the bulls are regaining some control after the recent pullback. However, it's still too early to say for sure if this is the start of a new rally or just a temporary blip in the market. Overall, the 15-minute chart is showing a lot of volatility and uncertainty, which makes it difficult to predict the short-term direction of the stock. So where do we stand with Amazon based on the current news and chart data? The news seems to favor a bullish outlook for Amazon, but the charts are telling a more complex story. On the daily chart, Amazon is showing a strong upward trend, with momentum on the bull side. However, the stock has faced resistance around the $190 level. If the bulls can break through this resistance, we could see a significant rally. The 1-hour chart shows a slight downward bias, indicating that the bears may be gaining some influence. This could lead to a short-term pullback, but it's not a clear signal of a major reversal. The 15-minute chart is showing a lot of volatility and uncertainty, making it difficult to predict the immediate future direction of the stock. Key price levels to watch include the $190 resistance level on the daily chart and the $185 to $186 range on the 15-minute chart. Breaking above the $190 level would be a strong bullish signal, while a break below the $185 to $186 range on the 15-minute chart would be a bearish signal. The upcoming Prime Big Deal Days event could be a catalyst for the stock, potentially driving it higher if the event is successful. Keep a close eye on the price action in the coming days and hours to see how Amazon reacts to the news and potential catalysts. We'll be back with another in-depth analysis of Amazon soon. Until then, happy trading!